Hi, Jim Ziegler, the Alpha Dog. I've got some incredible news. The Alpha Dog On Demand Training Network. Oh, I know what you're thinking. You're saying, hey, Ziegler, every trainer in the automotive industry has an online on-demand training network. I'm sure of it. But let me tell you why mine is good. Let me tell you why I think mine is superior in results and what we teach. I'm not going to put down anybody else's network, but I'm going to tell you why mine is better. First of all, the Alpha Dog On-Demand Training Network is done by me, and I am the trainer on the majority of the videos. Get this. We old school, new school. And, I hear a lot of talk about old school, new school, but there are hundreds of closes, hundreds of word tracks, hundreds of specific techniques to sell cars and persuade customers to see it our way. I've got the track record. Remember, most sales training networks are just that, sales training. But this is so much more. We have sales manager training, F&I training. We have salesperson training, old school and new school. And we've got general sales manager training, general manager training, how to desk deals. How to desk deals, one of the strongest subjects I teach from the desk manager's perspective and from the salesperson's perspective. How to work a car deal. Nobody talks about that because very few people know how to do it. I've been there, done that, stood in 1,000 showrooms. I got the track record, got the t-shirt. Let me tell you, James A. Ziegler, the Alpha Dog, I've been there, done that, and I'm willing to teach this legacy training for a low, low price of $500 per dealership. Some of these people charge you $1,500, $2,000 a month per rooftop. I'm telling you right now, no contract, $500 a month. In 2005, I had an audience of over 300 people in Indianapolis, Indiana. And I performed a 2-day salesperson detailed training. Word tracks, closes, everything. And we videoed the entire event. Old school, I've got that on the website. And a ton of new school sales training. We know the internet has been added to the road to the sale, and we know that technology is part of the way we sell cars today. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how to convert customers. And what I don't know, I'm bringing other experts on the platform with me, and I'm interviewing them. In coming months, I'll be interviewing BDC experts. I'll be interviewing people that are technology sales experts and meaningful, up-to-date concept into reality. I'm telling you right now, I've got the F&I school is on the platform as well. My Samurai F&I school, the best F&I school in the world for gross results, efficiency, word tracks, things to say to customers, it's all there. In 2014, I performed an F&I seminar once again in Indianapolis, Indiana, just a coincidence. I performed my 2-day Samurai F&I school, and we videoed the whole thing, 2014. Well, that modern F&I school is it's completely on the platform. I mean, it's incredible. Several hours of training in F&I on demand at your leisure. And we've got a number of short vignettes. Now, some of the things on the platform are me talking about how to manage a dealership, how to be a general sales manager, how to be a desk manager, how to be a general manager. Some of those sections are 1 hour long. Most people that got a sales platform training, they got little 3-minute vignettes. You can't learn anything in a 3-minute vignette. Quit it. I mean, I'm doing detailed explanations of how to do this. The videos that I've got on this platform are incredible for your sales meetings. You can take one sectional piece of my training and show it to the sales force in a sales meeting, discuss it, learn it, It will work. This platform will increase your gross, will increase your unit sales, your penetration, and it's CSI friendly. It's all customer friendly. There's never a need to lie, cheat, sneak, deceive, or misrepresent to sell cars. And we approach it that way. Remember, selling cars is not hammering the customer into submission. It's persuasion. It's finesse. It's personality. And we talk about all of that. The Ziegler on-demand training. Now, if you want to go to it, let me show you in the text. Hang on one second. There you go. alphadogondemand.com. alphadogondemand.com. That's the address. Check it out. Check it out with your credit card in hand. Anyway, the Alpha Dog On Demand Network, the very best. See you there.